Being out on the trail when it's hot is tough, and what makes it better is a nice cold drink. With the Dometic console refrigerator, you can have your drinks cold on the go. This refrigerator from Dometic is great for the trail, road trip, and more. It's integrated into your truck or SUV's center console. This location keeps drinks cold and snacks within an arm's reach. The compressor-based fridge is automotive approved. It's a low energy appliance, so you won't have to worry about it draining your battery. It has an integrated power supply that uses your vehicle's 12-volt power. The soft touch user interface is great too. With the push of a button, the fridge comes on and starts cooling. Dometic hasn't left you powerless. They've included 2 USB charging ports that are easily accessible and a storage area to store phones, coins, or any other small items. When on the trail, you can have your water, soda, and more within reach. And on those long road trips, you can keep the kids happy with snacks and more. In purchasing the Dometic console refrigerator, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. And don't forget to subscribe for new videos every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on In the Garage.